tayo. So, let's click Go Team. Achieve competitive advantage with Go Team, AI-powered result multiplier outsourcing solution that helps business to scale and people exceed. So, let's scroll down. Okay. Okay. Strategic workforce planning, match world-class candidates into desired position, process candidates aided by AI analysis, personality assessment to align the company's cultures, and so much more. So, dito ay na-login ka lang ng yung email at saka password. So, I'm just sharing naman the um, how to apply in this company. So okay. Click natin. Kung meron silang apply here. What work from home means here, you can win from home or XQ, work flexibly hybrid. So, hindi ako mag-a-apply eh. Okay, ito yung register nila. Hindi ako mag-a-apply. Okay, I don't have plan to apply. So, dito, ilalagay mo yung full name mo, middle name, and last name. Preferred name, outsourcing ang trabaho dito. So your preferred can be your nickname, you can be professional code by, okay, your nickname, ilagay mo dito, and then your number, Philippines, select city, select barangay, and then zip code, yan street, and then your resume and CV, and day, shift ba kung gusto middle shift or night shift yung gusto mo dito, and then put your email address here and then password, and then register pagkatapos yan. If you already have your account, then you can click already have an account. So explore pa tayo kasi dito yung ano nila, form nila. Basahan natin kung ano nilalaman ng meron silang Go Team Cebu. Hanap tayo ng mga career exploring, Go Team join. Okay, ito siguro. So we are hiring recruitment associate. So Go Team is hiring now a recruitment associate, assistant account success specialist. So up to 40K yung sahod dito, work from home, pre-AI certification. So meron na silang pre-AI certification. Maganda dito. Applyan. Senior accountant, paralegal litigation assistant, 30,000 work from home, pre-AI certification, business development support specialist, new case coordinator, account payable, account receivable specialist. So, senior HR hybrid day shift 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. pre-AI certification, student support officer 30K work from home free AI certification, customer service administrator 30,000 on-site. So on-site ito, meron silang on-site and then meron din silang work from home. So ito yung mga job categories nila: account and finance, admin assistant, creative content, and data management, executive, HR, IT support, legal, medical, operations, procurement, project management, real estate, sales, marketing, and software development. Yun yung mga job categories nila. So, meron pa tayo general accountant, underwriting operation specialist up to 30K, senior procurement officer on site, and billing collection specialist, and administrative assistant up to 40K work from home pre-AI certification, and overnight dispatch compliance coordinator 40K to 60K ang kanilang sahod. Corporate accountant US GAAP and pre-AI, so 60K to 70K. Digital marketing specialist 50K on site, and tier 1 tier 2 IT support help desk. Ano pa? Explore pa tayo. Bookkeeper, recruitment firm, data analyst, and administrator officer, administrative bookkeeper, administrative assistant, energy designer, assistant account manager, recruitment coordinator, HR assistant, senior data engineer. So, madami hiring dito. Ngayon, personal assistant to the CEO, Dubai, pre-AI certification, and then executive assistant to the CEO on site, recruitment, resourcer, financial service 30K to 50K work from home, pre-AI certification, and LinkedIn lead generation personal brand manager, centralized estimator, senior accountant, accounting analyst, bid coordinator, marketing. So, madami pa. So, kung kulang ang mga information na-share ko, you can search sa Google Chrome. So, we're hiring energy designer, CEO, and SIM specialist. So, 80K, work from home, pre-AI certification, SEO rather, or SEM. So, estimator, residential construction, yan, 50K to 80K. Yan, if you're a construction, you're allowed to apply here. Ang laki-laki ng sahod nila. And senior electrical engineer, accountant, collection specialist, procurement specialist, 45K, learning operation specialist, AU bookkeeper, data. So, kung nagkakamali man ako dito, minsan kasi hindi man ako expert talaga sa mga job. Kasi same lang din ako sa inyo na nag-apply din ng trabaho. And then, I've just share some website kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply ng trabaho. So, of course, mag-apply ba tayo kung hindi tayo marunong sa mga trabahong they are offering now. So, talagang pag-aaralan pa natin. So, ikaw, kung alam mo na, then you can apply here. So, chef or of staff, chief of staff, nagkapali lang, up to 100K to 200K pre-AI certification. Salesforce administrator, Salesforce data administrator, recruitment administrator support, permanent work from home, and procurement specialist, senior mechanical engineering, senior plumbing engineering. So if you're engineer now and then expert ka sa planning or mechanical, ayan, sige, may work na dito, you can apply as soon as possible. US bookkeeper, IT. So, I hope na nagustuhan niyo itong video na to at dito lang magtatapos yung ating pag-share kasi medyo mahaba-haba na rin ng ating video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe na rin sa aking channel. Maraming salamat. See you on my next video.